Hiya, Georgie.
Hiya, Georgie.
Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and for today's 31 Days of Halloween video, I turned myself into the female version of the It Clown. I absolutely love how this turned out, so let's just jump right into the tutorial because this is so exciting. I feel so cute. Alright, so I started by already trying to block out my brows, and I will be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm blocking my brows. So if I can figure this out by the end of Halloween, you will have a tutorial in one of my future looks with me doing this all at once. But I do know you're supposed to go in with a cream foundation, like a foundation stick. This is the only one that I own, and it's by Merit, and I'm just going to use this to cover my brows for now. I'm going to start on my eyes first, and then we'll get into the paint. I just want this blocked out as best as possible. And I forgot to grab a water, so I'm gonna go do that. As you can kind of tell by the intro, I do not have an It costume, so this is gonna be like an inspired It sort of thing. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Anastasia eye primer, and then I am gonna go in with a couple different palettes, I think. I'm trying to be careful and not get it too close to my brows, but it's all gonna be blended eventually. Alright, nice base. I can already tell that my eyes are going to water a bit, so I'm gonna play into that a little bit and see what I can come up with. I'm gonna start with my Indi Cosmetics Goblin King palette, and I'm gonna first go into the shade Masquerade here. I'm going for a very smoky eye. This is a Moda Pro crease brush, and again, this does not have to be perfect because I am gonna obviously clean up everything. I kind of want this like a grungy It Clown. I'm gonna start with that black just right in the corner here, and I'm gonna drag it pretty far back, make it very dramatic. I'm just gonna tap over where I have some of that glue. The wig that I have for this is not going to necessarily be super It-like. It is technically an aerial wig, but I don't have many options. I feel like the Nightman right now. I'm gonna go up into this shade and then this shade. So this one is Goblin City and this one is Jareth. I'm just going to make a gradient. I'm going in with a Lunar Beauty blending brush with Goblin City and just right next door. Nothing too fancy, just very, very extreme. I do plan on doing like one more clown look and maybe another one on TikTok, maybe. I'm gonna go into Jareth, just use that to kind of blend. Okay, I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into the white shade Ambrosius, and I'm gonna start packing that right in here. Now, I know I said I was going to use a couple different palettes, but I think I just might stick with this one. I do believe I have a code with Indi Cosmetics. If I do, I will have that listed down below. I'll throw it up on the screen also if I remember to edit this part in. I'm going to take just a clean blending brush and just kind of smooth out all of this. Yeah, eye is watering just a smidge, but I can deal with it. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and kind of clean up as best as I can. It's always so satisfying to do the wing part. Oh shoot, you know, I'm in the middle of filming this. I'm just thinking, I don't think I have a red lipstick. Did I really get rid of? Oh no, I do have one. It's not the right shade, but it'll work. Leaving the eyes as that, I'm gonna go in with this Lottie London primer. This is from their Harley Quinn line. Just gonna use this to hydrate my face because I need all the hydration I can get. I'm gonna go in with my Athena palette, and I'm gonna be going in with the white shade because clown. I'm just gonna make it easy and dig some out onto my palette. And I just have an old sponge that I'm using, one that I don't mind getting all this paint on. I don't love that. No. Okay, never mind. Switching to a brush. This is an LYS foundation brush, and I think if I start with this and then go in with the sponge just to smooth it out, I think that would work better. Okay, right now this looks really patchy. Should have like just bought the Mayron water activated paints, but this was only like $15 versus $100, so. I'm starting to think I should have done my forehead first, and then the eyeshadow, and then the rest of the face. You live and you learn. I feel like I had an easier time blending out the blue concoction I did for Dolores. Yeah, okay, sponge is helping. Huh. I actually did a pretty good brow cover. It's a little lumpy, but I don't mind it. I feel like this doesn't have to be like perfect. Holy shit. I feel like this doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if it looks a little splotchy because it's not that clean of a clown. I do have a color I'm gonna put on. It's not at all the color for Pennywise, but I think I can just make it work. I have it currently stretched out across the cat litter container because it is a little too tight. It's a little too tight. I'm just putting a little bit of this on my chest. I am going to find a fluffy brush. Elli Beauty setting powder. I'm going to set the hell out of this. I wish I had a white powder. Oh yeah, I wish I had a white powder. Nope, not working. Hate that. That was a bit of a mistake. Okay, guess I'm gonna forego setting my face. I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna go back into a little bit of Jareth. I'm just going to reblend up here. So I'm gonna grab a new brush for that. Just very lightly, I just want to kind of fix whatever the hell happened over here. I'm gonna go back in with the white shade. I feel very Black Swan, which is another movie I have not watched before. I'm gonna pivot a little bit and go in with my black liner. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to very carefully put this all in my waterline and tightline with it. Just a little something like that. I feel like it look a little frightening. I'm gonna go into Masquerade again, and this is just a pencil brush. I'm basically just going to smudge this and set that liner. You know, that liner doesn't really need to be set because it really doesn't budge once it dries down, but you have a little bit of wiggle room to work with it. I'm just going to sweep all that together just like that. I'm gonna take that white on my inner corner. It's a lot of white on white, but that is basically what I have going on right now. I feel like I have like a weird shadow thing happening here. It doesn't technically have brows. I'm gonna do brows because I feel like it today. And I'm gonna start with a detail brush and the Masquerade shade. And I'm gonna do kind of something like that, I guess. Ooh, those are not even at all. So just kind of like did a swoop and an arch. And I'm gonna go in with just a liquid liner. This is from Kaja Beauty. And kind of go over what I did. Try to at least. I love this though. I love it so much. I guess I'm just gonna also take this liner, go ahead and do my wing liner. Not that you can really tell that the liner's there, but it's there. I do need to do something right under that liner. So I'm gonna go in with a mix of Jareth and Goblin City and just blend right here a little bit. I like that. I like that. I am going to take the Rare Beauty highlighter. This is Enlighten. I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. It's such a pretty highlighter shade right under my faux brow. Not that you're going to see that much because when I do the clown line, it is what it is. I am going to do a little bit of contour. I'm basically going to go in with these same shades just because I want a little bit of, I guess, grunginess. Tap into all three and then just very lightly, but that's very pigmented. Kind of blend that right on top of that cream. Just kind of keep it more like back. Just kind of blend that in. I'm also going to do a little bit on my nose. I'm just going to go in with just the shade Jareth and just very lightly blend this out. I'm definitely not the greatest at nose contour. I'm getting better, but I'm not that great. Right, and then just back over with my sponge just to kind of blend that. Okay, it's coming together. Now to do the whole line situation and the nose. Alright, so again, I'm going to be using this paint palette and I'm going to go into this red shade. And again, putting just a smidge on here just to make it a little bit easier to work with, especially if I need to mix a color in with it. I don't think I will though, because that's a pretty good red. Right, this is just a brush from Elli Beauty. It's a 9mm, and I'm going to start, I guess at the corner. Oh my god, I made those almost exactly even. That's insane. I need a closer mirror for this part. Now I just need to kind of thicken up some of these lines. If you think about it, the makeup to do it is pretty simple. I love how you don't have to be perfect with it. It's like all you really need, if you don't do the eyes, you just need white face paint, black face paint, and red paint, and you're good to go. Bringing this all the way to my hairline because it's going to be hidden by the wig, but it's very simple. You just draw this line and then you gotta eventually fill in your lips. I'm going to do the nose now. I'm going to take a different brush to help fill this in. So I'm just basically, oh my god, I look so cool. I'm just filling in the nose with that same paint, and I'm just doing a slightly thicker layer just to make it a little bit more opaque. I'm just messing with the shape just to get a good nose shape, but I love this so much. Like every time I sit down to do my makeup for Halloween, I get so giddy with how good I'm doing, and then I put on a wig and I'm like, damn, it's not that good. So I'm hoping the wig doesn't like screw with me today, but my god, my lips are super dry. So the only red lipstick I have right now is Strawberry from Anastasia. Let's see how this works. It works. Guess it's not really a clown look if you don't messily overline your lips a little bit. I love this. Ooh, do I love this. I do need to go in with a little bit more paint. For some reason this is like not that even. Right now I'm just messing with the lines. I'm making it maybe a little bit too thick, but that's whatever. It looks so cool. I'm gonna clean up before I jump into the lashes, just so I don't get like anything else just everywhere. I have the perfect lashes for this, and this is Sleigh Bells from Elli because it's black and red. They are fabulous. I mean, I could go in with Holidays, but that's like too Ronald McDonald. I think these ones would work perfectly fine. I kind of feel like I should do like bottom lashes, but I don't know if I have a pair that I can do with that. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm just like, that's not me. That is not me. Ooh, these might work. These lashes are the Whisper Lashes from the brand Cala, and I'm gonna use these for bottom lashes because that looks so cool. I haven't done like super big bottom lashes in forever, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna hop off and do my lashes, throw on my wig, and I'll be back to show you the finished look, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love how this came out. I even like the wig with this. The bangs are a little annoying, but like I love how this looks. I feel so cute as a clown. So this is like my ginger bent take on the It clown. I absolutely love this. Obviously this is in regards to the newest It films, not the original with Tim Curry. Funny as it is, I did not find the Skarsgård clown to be as scary as the Tim Curry clown. There's just something about Tim Curry's performance as It that has scarred me to this day. Terrified. But I absolutely love this. So I don't know if I said it already, but the wig is insert name here, and this little collar thing, which is choking the hell out of me, is from Spirit Halloween. Again, it's not the It clown, but I kind of like the darker collar thing. I could have obviously like painted my body, but I'm not that skilled. So go ahead and let me know what you think about this look, and I'm going to zoom you out to finish up this video. Alright, I am so happy with this makeup look. I hope you like it too. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am doing 31 days of Halloween, so I have a video out every day this month, and I am so excited for all of the Halloween content that I am doing. It is just so exciting. I am having the best time ever doing this. So all of my makeup details and accessories are going to be listed down below if you're interested in checking out anything. So I think that covers everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want some book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. I don't think I have anything else to say, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Stay spooky, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!